Welcome garden enthusiasts and potato lovers! In today's video, we're kicking off a new series all about growing red potatoes. Let's dive into the world of these delicious and versatile tubers. Red potatoes are a popular choice for many home gardeners and chefs alike. Known for their thin, smooth skin and vibrant color, red potatoes have a slightly sweet and creamy texture, making them perfect for roasting, boiling, and salads. Their culinary versatility and delightful flavor make them a must-have in any kitchen garden. In this series, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to grow healthy and productive red potatoes. Here's a sneak peek at the topics we'll cover. 1. Ideal growing conditions. Learn about the best soil, climate, and sunlight requirements for red potatoes. All right, let's dive into selecting seed potatoes. Here are some tips on choosing and preparing the best seed potatoes for planting. Now, let's move on to planting techniques. We'll go through step-by-step instructions on how to plant red potatoes for optimal growth. Finally, let's explore different growing methods. We'll look at various methods such as in-ground gardening, container gardening, and raised bed gardening. Hilling and maintenance. Understand the importance of hilling and how to care for your potato plants. Watering and pest management. Essential tips for proper watering and protecting your plants from pests. Harvesting and storage. Learn when and how to harvest your red potatoes and the best practices for storing them to maintain freshness. We're excited to take you on this journey of growing red potatoes. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll dive deep into each topic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and eco-friendly ideas. Happy gardening!